Welcome to the Ingredient Channel and happy 2022. In today's episode, I'm sharing a recipe for sautéed lobster with ginger, onion, and scallion. In addition to sharing this delicious recipe, I'm also going to provide a few tips to ensure the lobster meat is tender, juicy, and tasty. Alright, let's begin. First, we're going to pre-process the lobsters. Cut the lobster into 1-inch long segment. I use tweezers to devein the lobster. What tool do you use? Let me know in the comments. Add salt and cooking wine. Massage a little. Then use our hands to break a scallion bulb, squeeze the juice out, and massage the lobsters again. Season for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare for other ingredients. Slice half a sweet onion, shred the scallion to as thin as you can. Soak the scallion in cold water to make them crispy. Shred some ginger. Then red chili pepper. Let's make the sauce. Put the red chili pepper in a small bowl. Add 3 tablespoons light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, grind a pinch of black pepper, one tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1½ teaspoon of starch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of water. Mix well. Set aside. Next, let's rinse the lobster and remove the scallions. Here's the tip. Drop the lobsters into boiling water. Bring to boil and then simmer for 1 minute. Take out. Next, in a heated pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Stir fry the ginger and onion until the onion gets soft. Add a bit more oil if the pan gets dry. Toss in the lobsters. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Then add our secret sauce. Stir until the sauce gets thick. Add half of the scallion. Stir for 10 times. No more, no less. Move it to your favorite plate. Add the rest of scallion on top for decor. It's ready to serve. The crisp scallion enhances the sweetness of the tender lobster meat, which is wrapped around by the tasty sauce inside the shell. Bon appetit! Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please check out the other videos in my channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you around!